Hello kids. Today we are going to revise kinds of plant and parts of plant. These lessons we are learned in previous class. But today we are going to revise it once time. In this lesson you learned different kinds of plants and names and their features of different kinds of plants. Yes or no? Okay. See kids, in this picture you are watching the types of different kinds of plants. One is tall, one is short, one is big. Yes or no? All plants are same in this one? No. All plants are different. All plants are different. First of all, tell me, what things we get from plants? What are things we get from plants? We get food from plants. We get only food from plants? Fruits? Okay. Flowers? We get a food means it may be fruits, it may be grains, it may be vegetables. All type of food we get from plants. We get flowers also from plants. Main thing is, important is we are getting oxygen from plants. When the photosynthesis take place, photosynthesis means when the trees, plants preparing their food, that time what happen kids? They take a carbon dioxide from atmosphere, leave oxygen. They take a carbon dioxide from atmosphere and release a oxygen. That one oxygen we are breathing. We need oxygen to breathe. We are taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide, but trees are taking carbon dioxide from atmosphere when photosynthesis take place and release oxygen. That one oxygen we are breathe. We get rain because of these forests. We get fresh air, rain, flowers, clothes, shade, shelter from trees. And we get so many things from plants, trees. So that plants or trees are very important. We see plants all around us of different kinds. Size and shapes are different. Plants grow everywhere. Plants grow everywhere. On land, in water, even very hot place, on mountain, on hill station, in deserts. Plants grow everywhere, but they are different. Plants are very important for all living things. They not only provide a food, but are also useful for many other ways. Just we are explain now? Yes. Plants are also called evergreen wealth because always they are green, no? Okay. See now, kinds of plants. In plants, some kinds are there. Herbs, shrubs, creepers, climbers, trees. In plants, some kinds are there. In that, first one is herbs. Herbs are small plant having a tender stem. Herbs can stand erect. Grass, fenugreek, mint, spinach, coriander means dhania, basil are commonly used as herbs because they are having tender stem. Now shrubs. Plants that are taller, little bit taller than the herbs. See, it is a herb and it is the shrub. Shrubs are taller than the herbs. Okay, shrubs have strong woody stem and can stand erect. Herbs can stand erect. Ladyfinger, brinjal grow on shrubs. Look here, ladyfinger and brinjals grow on shrubs. Cotton plants, rose plants, hibiscus, jasmine, mogra are shrubs. Brinjal and lady's finger grow on shrubs. Brinjal and lady's finger also grow on shrubs. Cotton plant, rose flowers, hibiscus, jasmine plants are grow as shrubs. Understood, my kids? What is herbs? What is shrubs? Next, see trees. Next, trees. Trees are big plants. Trees are big plants. Most are quite tall, strong. Most trees are quite tall, strong. The stem of the tree is called as trunk. It is the trunk. The stem of the tree is called a trunk. The woody quite rough to touch. When you touch the tree, you feel a soft, smooth? No. It is a quite rough. Many branches, leaves grow on this trunk. Many branches with leaves, with flowers, with fruits grow on this trunk. Trees like a banyan tree, neem tree, coconut tree, and Gulmohar tree. Example for trees: banyan tree, neem tree, date palm trees, coconut trees, Gulmohar trees. Understood, no kids? What are trees and how are they? Now see creepers and climbers. Creepers. What are creepers and what are climbers? See, some plants have weak stem and are unable to stand on their own. They are very weak. They have very weak stem and are unable to stand on their own. Plants like bottle gourd, pumpkin, cucumber, watermelon. These plants grow along the ground. They are unable to stand their own. They are unable to stand on their own, so that they grow along the ground. Understood, no kids? These type of plants are called creepers. Those plants are unable to stand on their own and they grow along the ground. That type of plants are called creepers. Understood, no? Okay, now see climbers. See, grapevine, morning glory are the example for climbers. Some plants take support of other plants or poles or wall to grow and are hence known as climbers. Some plants need a help of wall, pole, and other trees to grow. This type of plants are called climber plants because they take a support of others and they climb to grow. When they will grow, they start to climb on the other bodies. Look in this picture. This one plant climbing on the pole. Grapevine also climbed on the pole. Understood, no kids? Grapevine, peas, morning glory, money plants are climbing plants. Understood? Plants are important for all living things. Plants are very important for all living things. Plants on the basis of size. How plants are classified? Plants are classified on the basis of their size. Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers and climbers. We revised this one in this lesson. Now, next see parts of plant. Parts of plant. In this lesson, we are going to revise the different parts of the plant and the functions of this plant. The environment is full of different kinds of plants. Just we are revised. Of different shape, size. The environment is full of different kinds of plants of different shape, different size. Plants are very important for living things, especially since they provide a food for all living things and other things such as a shelter, fresh air. Okay, now see kids, observe this one picture. A plant given alongside this side is there. See, parts of this one plant. It is the whole part, okay? And the root, it is the root. Under the ground, roots grow. Above the ground, shoot system grow. In shoot systems, stem, it is the branch. It is the branch. Leaf, this is the leaf. This is the branch. This is the fruit. This is the stem. You may call it as also stem because it is a long is there. Okay, it is the stem. It is the flower. This is the flower and these are birds. Plant has roots, stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, branches. Yes or no? Okay. Now we'll see what is the function of this one root. Look here, kids. What is the function of root? Roots, the part of plant that grow inside the soil is called root. The part of the plant that grow inside the soil is called root. Most of plants have a thick main root that grow deep into the soil. The main root has thinner side roots called the rootlets that go from it. This type of root is called taproot. In roots also two types are there, taproot and fibrous root. Those plants have a thick main root that grow deep into the soil and that has thinner sides roots called the taproot and fibrous root. In some plants, a group of small roots grow from the end of the stem. These roots are thin and fibrous. Therefore, they are called fibrous roots. Understood, my kids? In roots, two types are there, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has thick main root and it has small thin roots. Those are attached to rootlets. Main root, thin roots and rootlets. Here, a group of small roots grow from the end of the stem. This type, thin and fibrous roots are called fibrous roots. Thin and fibrous roots are called fibrous roots. Next part is shoot system. Before that, we see what is the function of the root. Roots absorb the water and minerals present in the soil and hold the tree firmly in the soil. Roots absorb the water and minerals present in the soil for the plant and hold the roots help to hold the plant firmly in the soil. Some plants store extra food in their roots. For example, carrot, radish, beetroot. We are eating now? Yes. Now second part is a shoot. Under the ground, inside the ground part is root and above the ground this part is called the shoot system. Root system and shoot system. In shoot system, a part of a plant that grows above the soil is collectively called the shoot. The shoot system consists stem, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers. In this stem is a very important part of the plant. Stem of a plant are greenly. They become a little hard brown rough as the plant grows into a tree. The stem of a tree is called trunk. The stem gives support to the plant with the help of the roots. The stem gives support to the plant with the help of roots. The stem helps the plant to stand firmly in the soil. It carries, means stem carries prepared food to leaves to all the parts of the plant. It also carries the water and other useful substance which one roots are absorbed and supply the other parts of the plant. Example, for some stem plants like a sugar cane, potato, gingers, they store their food, extra food in their stems. Understood, my kids? Now see leaves. Leaves are also called the kitchen of the plant. Leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They made a food for the plants with the help of the chlorophyll, water, air, sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The leaf consists of the following parts. These one parts. Leaf consists some parts. This is leaf stalk, which is attached to the branch. Leaf consists, the flat, broad part of the leaf is called the lamina. It is also called the leaf blade. The upper side of the lamina is a dark in color. It is the lower side of the lamina is a light in color. A thin tube called the midrib, and the small veins runs through the middle of the leaf. Small veins arise from the midrib on either side of the spreading across the lamina. These carry and other nutrients that help the leaf to prepare the food. The small opening of the lower side of the leaf is called the stomata. Do you know, kids? During the photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide and present in air and prepare food and release oxygen. Next, functions of these leaves. Functions of the leaves is we are using as a green vegetables. Leaves prepare food for plants. Main function of leaves is leaves prepare a food for plants and for us too. They help plants breathe and taking in air through the tiny openings called the stomata. Now see flowers. A flower is the most attractive and fragrant part of plant. Most flowers grow into fruits. Fruits contain seeds. Since most plants grow from seeds. Flowers are so often called the seed boxes of plant. Function of the flowers is flowers have nectar in them which attracts Flowers have nectar in them which attracts the bees and bees and butterflies. Flowers grows into fruits and produce seeds. That seeds help us to again grow the plants. Now see fruits. Fruits. Flowering plants produce fruits. Fruits carry seeds. They also contain food for all living things. When a seed is sown in soil and give enough water, sunlight, air, it grow into a new plant. Again, new plant bear a flowers. Flowers give us fruits. Fruits gives us seeds. This type cycle is going on. The functions of the fruit is fruit produces and protect the seeds inside it. They store a food that is eaten by all living things. We are eating fruits now. Not only we, most of the plants, most of the living animals eat fruits. Monkeys, other animals also eat fruits as food, as a food. Eating fruit as a food. Only human being eating a fruit? No. Other animals also eating of fruits. And fruits are very healthy. Fruits are very healthy. So you should also eat any one fruit every day. It may be banana, apple, mango, guava, papaya. Understood, my kids? You should eat all types of fruits. Kids, in these two lessons, we are revised about parts of the plants, their functions, and types of plants. Understood, no kids? Okay. Thank you for watching the video.